Here, finally settling down. I moved in with Dale, which has been great. He's been so supportive and patient, which has been great.
I'm just putting nose spray in because you're snoring.
Well, if anybody's snoring, it's you. And for your information, you fart all night long.
It's because you're cooking.
What are you doing?
I'm going to go sleep in the other room so we don't bug each other.
Unless you're leaving because my snoring is so bad. Alleged snoring.
Alleged snoring? I'm going half deaf in this ear from your alleged snoring.
That's not gonna stop the tear gas coming out of your pants.
Onions in, onions out.